Are you still removing URLs one by one from Google Search Console? There's a faster way. Meet QuickRemove, a free Chrome extension that finds broken URLs on your website and removes them from Google in bulk. Here's how it works. Step 1. Open the 404 Finder. Just enter your website URL and click Scan. QuickRemove checks your entire sitemap and finds every broken link, 404 errors, dead pages, even spam-injected URLs. Step 3. Open Google Search Console, click Start, and QuickRemove automatically submits every removal request for you. No more clicking one URL at a time. Step 2. One click loads all the broken URLs into your removal list. It skips duplicates, retrieves failed requests, and shows you live progress the entire way. QuickRemove also tracks expiring removals, so you never miss resubmitting a URL that Google is about to reindex. And with weekly monitoring, you'll get notified automatically whenever new broken URLs appear on your site. Perfect for SEO professionals, agencies, and anyone managing multiple websites. The free plan is always free. Pro starts at just $7.99 a month with a 3-day free trial. No credit card required. Install QuickRemove today from the Chrome Web Store and clean up your site in minutes, not hours. Link is in the description below.